How's everyone doing?
Good. We're good.
I'm glad to hear that. I hope you're excited.
Wow.
Today, we'll be learning about the different types of triangles. Shannon?
I thought all the triangles were the same.
Good observation. Class, what do you think makes triangles the same? Camila?
All triangles have 3 sides.
Paige?
All triangles have 3 angles.
Shannon?
And all the sizes of the angles add up to 180 degrees.
Nice. All triangles possess these qualities. They all have 3 sides and 3 angles. There are three types of triangles that help us to further classify the shape. We have equilateral, isosceles, and scalene. Can anyone tell me what the first type we have on the board? Camila?
Equilateral.
Great. Now, an equilateral is a triangle whose sides and angles are all the same. The tip marks and the fact that all the sides are the same color represent that each side and each angle are the same. Does anyone know what the size of an equilateral angle would be? Shannon?
Would the angles be 70 degrees?
You're really close. Good estimate. Why don't we all try to figure it out? We know that the angles of a triangle add up to be 180 degrees, and that a triangle contains 3 angles. How can we solve for the degree of just one of those angles? Camila?
We can divide 180 by 3.
Nice work, Camila. So then we can figure out that the size of the angle of an equilateral would be 60 degrees. Does everyone understand what we just did? Paige?
So an equilateral triangle has sides that are all the same length and angles that are 60 degrees each. But how is an isosceles different than an equilateral?
That's a great question, Paige. Let's take a look. An isosceles triangle contains 2 sides that are congruent, or the same, while the remaining side is different. You see here in this drawing that 2 of the sides are the same color, representing that they are the same, whereas there is 1 side that is a different color. So you could say that these 2 are the same, and this is another. So same, other, same. Can anyone tell me what a scalene triangle is? Shannon?
The word is a bit weird, but through process of elimination, I guess that it's the triangle with no similarities.
Correct, Shannon. The sides and angles are all different in a scalene triangle. Each of the sides has a different length, as represented by the picture here. Each side has a different color because it's a different length. So to review, we've learned about what a scalene triangle is, an isosceles triangle, and an equilateral. Now it's your turn to test out your skills. In 2 minutes, please classify triangle number 1 and triangle number 2. Okay, class. Paige, what did you get for number 1?
It's an isosceles because it contains 2 congruent sides.
Awesome. And Shannon, what did you get for number 2?
Number 2 is an equilateral because all the sides and all the angles are congruent.
Fantastic. You've all got it.
This is really interesting, but it's a lot of information to remember.
Don't worry about that. The triangles themselves are going to help us remember. Let's learn a chant that's going to help us keep track of it all. I'll say the phrase first, and then you can repeat after me. Ready? The answer is in the name.
The answer is in the name.
If you need help with isosceles, call for an SOS.
Call for an SOS.
Same, other, same.
Same, other, same.
Not sure how long the side is.
Not sure how long the side is.
In an equilateral, everything is equal.
In an equilateral, everything is equal.
The answer is in the name.
The answer is in the name.
How about a scalene?
How about a scalene?
The similarities can't be seen.
The similarities can't be seen.
All sides and angles are different.
All sides and angles are different.
The answer is in the name.
The answer is in the name.
Great job, class. So today we definitely mastered the 3 different types of triangles.
Woo!